space between the top of the radiator tube and the bottom of the fuselage. We'll tell you a little bit more about that. But the wing that you see there, that laminar flow wing, was basically the rabbit that Dutch Kindleberger and the folks at North American Aviation, his design team of Edgar Schmid and Lee Atwood and Ray Wright, pulled out of the hat and gave them the confidence to make that 120-day new airplane comment. They did extremely well with 117 days bringing out that aircraft. And that wing design was from information they had gotten from the National Advisory Council on Aeronautics, the NACA, which later on became